How to get best Shopee voucher promo codes in 2025. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, search for Shopee voucher promo codes. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply click on the link that says picori.com. And once you tap onto it, you'll then be able to see a list of promo codes available. You want to go ahead and simply tap on reveal the code. And just like that, you'll then be able to find the code right over here. Go ahead and simply copy the code. Tap on copy and go to store. And once you copy it, go ahead and paste it at the Shopee checkout. And just like that, you'll then be able to get voucher promo codes. You can also try other similar sites. Some offers up to 80% too. And that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.